revolver, we will leverage our revolver. Is it alone? Okay. Balance. Nice. Okay. 8.7 million of plus. Okay, let's now format this number. Okay, let's do the same with our term loan. Minus interest rate and reach the minimum balance. Sum of interest expenses. Rule. Okay. So here we have okay. Interest rate line fulfilled. Okay. So our EBIT. Okay, let's now link our capital statement of interest expenses. We okay, there's mistake. Okay, so as you can see, we have here we have a negative free cash flow. So we're going to borrow 2.5 million from our revolver credit line. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, let's fill these two lines. It is increasing. I'm collecting some money, so a positive effect on cash. Here I'm going to stop. Capital loan, engine balance should be negative 4. Okay. Sum of that. Okay. Then about the beginning cash balance. So let's link it to our assumption tab from the transaction LBO, which gives the beginning of 0. It's not the net change in cash with the sum of these two. So should be 4.5 million of them. We will not succeed. No, exceed our maximum amount of available. Perfect. And okay, let's now go to our return analysis. Let's go to the negative. Our exponential is 10. Going to block. Open long. Okay. Our net financial position is equal to zero. Okay. Cash at the end of the period is okay. Zero. Okay. Then our equity value is 11 ownership equal to 100%. Okay. It means that the equity value of order is the equity value times the ownership we have. Okay. So let's put here the equity from this figure, okay, minus, and then plug that, right? Yes, plus is equal to that, then using this, it was equal to 0. I'm now calculating the MOIC and the internal rate of return, which is the two main indicator for analyzing the LBO. Okay, I have to block the column and I have to block here the row and the same here with the row. Okay, therefore my is just the sum of this divided this one. Okay, the internal rate of return. Okay, what is it? This is plus whatever 0.1. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, this should be the formula and it will be this. Another way to calculate the error is should be noise 1 divided by 2 years. Let's try to make this and that should be 2, should be 4, should be 5, it should be those are the same. And at the end, let's go with our sensitivity analysis. Let's suppose the 2028. Mm, the criteria is this one, and This is one. 0.8. Okay, let's do that before we the mic. Perfect. And this is for our IRR. Rotate here. 51 is correct. And symmetry. Let's go to insert our multiple and our x multiple. Okay. Let's hypothesize that it's going to increase. And the same here. Obviously, you can do all the sensitivity you want. You could also create, I don't know, scenario analysis with hypothesizing, for instance, phase space, conservative phase, optimistic phase if you want. You can see that in our video. Then let's go with the rows, the entry, and the city column with me. Okay. 5.2, 5.6, 8. Look for this one. Up in one. Perfect. Okay, let's do the same here. Right. Right. Same. Okay. Okay, hold. Here the formatting was was put on. Nothing. So here we change. 2027. 2027. We're going to have 4.4. Okay. 45% of IRR. Okay. Okay, let's now link the top there. Okay, so this is the model. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want the model, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and write your mail below in the comment section. I'm going to send you this model. If you have any question, please write down in the comments. And if you want, leave a comment with saying what would you like to do. For instance, if you want to make a model, a more complex LBO model, RBCF, multiple valuation, something about, I don't know, company profiling, information around, and so on. So hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next video.